Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I am going to show you some basic design patterns in ASP.NET Core and how the project will work according to the design pattern. So actually project is divided into the 4 layers. The first one layer is related to the data, and I am going to show you and you can say that the data actually related to the models. So the first layer is the data. So data layer and you can say that entity layer, where your entities are there. So the data layer exists some basic things like the entities, or you can say that models, and also the relationships between the models, or you can say that mappings between the models. After that, you can design generic repositories in the data layer also, and generic repository is a unique, or you can say that it's not design on the basis of the entity. Actually generic repository is basis on the templates. So you can say that that generic repository is related to the templates, and after that you can design the unit of work, and unit of work will work on the generic repository. Okay, so generic repository use entity in later session, but generic repository used at here in the data layer, that is the template, and generic repository used by the unit of work. The second layer is the view model layer, designed according to the UI. Okay, so the view model layer is the separate from the any other layer, but basis on your UI, and also basis on your model, or you can say entity. The third layer is the service layer. Actually service layer is a design pattern, you can say that, and depend on the individual's entity. So use view models and data layers. Service layer actually use view models layer and the data layer, and in which the service layer you can design interfaces and the repository basis on the individual entities, like also use the template, and where the template you can define the T, but in the service layer you can define the model, like the product model, like the student model, etc. So in the service layer, user, view model and data layer, interfaces, repository based on the individual entity, and the last layer is the UI layer, you can say that user interface layer, and in which you can design the web and bootstraps and etc. And in this layer I used view models only. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core. Thank you very much.